Right, so today I'm repairing wall tiles. That's the touch out kit. That is the mobile trolley, which can be folded down flat and moved into any tight place. It can be adjusted multi-height level, multi-width level. Wheels fold off it. Then I've got the dust extraction unit there, and repairing where they put new toilets in and put new cubicles in it. They've got holes. I had to pull out the old plug holes. So we've got cracks, splits, damage on the tiling. So that's to make good the original tiling. So it blends in. Also the floor as well. The floor's been damaged, and then we've got this across multiple toilets. This one's easier because there's only a couple of holes on that one. We've got a line here to take away. Not sure if there's a trim going down there, but there's a pencil line there, so that's what we're on with for today.